For all the people that who did there before we're here now.
We're here now.
I'm gonna want to see we.
Want $1 million by your money.
Them gal they brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie.
Came down. This is Derrick Morgan at dusk.
Oh, every rapper we're flying. As such man them call.
Been 1 year. Yeah. 1 year now. New year just start.
Box cover, this is TheDuttyBerry and welcome to another top 10 social media countdown. Make sure you not take care of yourself, now eat all of the good things them and having fun. We have a bag of things to talk about because Jamaica is always keeping. Anyway, let's get into this week's top 10 countdown.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like I in there. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out what happening on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.
Number 10, Derrick begs. Alright, burritos know. So I don't know if you know hear the feud we are going between Jada Kingdom and Stefflon Don. But in Jada Kingdom's recent diss single, she actually used social media influencer personality Derrick's voice in her song. Check it out.
Every day you come, everybody
So you see, after that song was put out, Derrick decided to just make an appearance on social media and let Jada Kingdom know that he wants some money. He have things to buy. Listen.
Good night, Jada Kingdom. This is Derrick Morgan at dusk. Hear your song about Derrick Morgan. And I like you could have helped me right now, Jada Kingdom, because I'm homeless, live on the street. I want to help me. You see, you put out your song and put my voice on your song. So, I beg you to assistant help with it. Because I need some help right now with Jada Kingdom. Jada Kingdom, you need to run off Uncle Derrick now in Jamaica. I suffer like a dog on the street. Man want to kill me. You must help me to find an apartment to live right now, Jada Kingdom. Help me out right now. Reach out to Derrick Morgan. No, Jada Kingdom. Act like a big woman, Jada Kingdom. Act like a big woman. Yeah, act like a big woman. Come from Brighton town. Yes, a Derrick Morgan sister. The one and only Derrick Morgan on TikTok I suffer bad Jada Kingdom.
No, Derrick. What a piece of, he's a professional, he's a professional when it comes on to beseeching people online. Like, he did a similar thing with Auntie Donna. Now it is Jada Kingdom. It's understandable. Like, Nicki Minaj, they all end up a gift Derrick. And so, from the minute I heard Jada use theme voice, I know Derrick did go find her and beg her some of the things. I say my deadlight dog, him want apartment, all kind of things. Derrick, you're entitled to it. She did use your voice. So if you want a little something for the January, nothing is wrong with that. But burritos, let me know. You think Jada should give him a little change? Sound off below. Number 9, Chris Gayle charity. Alright, burritos know. So I booked up this video on Twitter, and you know veteran cricketer Chris Gayle, man, they have a triple century in a New Kingston, all of these things, and he recently made a stop at a Portmore gas station and decided to not only purchase gas for himself, but every single person who was in attendance. Take a look.
Yo, so they are saying at the gas station right now, the Gia boy gas, everybody in the line. History this, see there? Portmore loud right now, Brayton gas station, watch it. And a joke thing. And stop a Portmore for buy me little gas and end up by buy everybody gas to blood. Nah, a joke this. Portmore and nah man. Alive.
That's it.
Free gas. Let them know it's a triple gold rum of the rum for the season, you see it?
So it's a lucky day. Have a good day. It's on me. Your gas is on me today, alright? Have a good day. What's your name again? Ayla. That's rich. Yeah. So, see there? Ayla, she's finished? Yeah. Have a good day, go. Next. What's your day? What's your name? Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. It's your lucky day today. Pull it right up to the brim. Okay?
Wow, 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 wow. Can we have a round of applause for the, charitable Chris Gayle? What a way to start off the new year. Now, one of my things, can you imagine you were the person who just give the attendant your money and get ready for drive out, and that is the moment Chris Gayle decided to come there and come be a generous person? Or you that just vex? Oh my, but Chris Gayle, boy, like do this once a month. Just pop up and make this an annual, not an annual, a monthly thing. But Burritos, let me know, are you here for Chris Gayle and his charitable deeds? Sound off in the comments. Number 8, Savage singing. No, Burritos, no. It is no, I don't think it's any surprise to anyone that 21 Savage, American rapper, is he American? Yeah, man. The rapper, he loves to sing. Him love to sing ballads, him love to draw for the love song them and all. And him don't business if it's a woman sing them or is a man. Him going to sing it from the bottom of his heart. But this time on a recent live, he decided to show, that he is very much in love with a lot of Jamaican songs. Take a listen.
Every record we break it. Zero here come from. Right. But I'm telling her I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. I'm too experienced for someone to rock and roll. I'm too experienced to be taken for a ride. Yeah, I know it's not my place.
Yeah, pull up. That is a big tune. Barton Levy, I'm too experienced to be taken for a stroll. And something about rock and roll. But yeah, man, him know the good song them. And if you don't know the song them, you're too young, okay? So James, you don't need to catch on and learn the hits them. Because if 21 Savage know them, you don't need to familiarize yourself, especially if you don't claim to be Jamaican. But Burritos, let me know which one of the songs them on the thing 21 Savage need to add to his roster of karaoke singles. Sound off in the comments. Number 7, Bolt SSL update. Burritos, listen. It is about time. Log on, dance, done. Alright, me need to go done now. But Bolt needs his money and he needs his money now. Call JG Wentworth 877 cash now. Something like that. Yeah, man, you need to call them because clearly Jamaica is slacking off. But Bolt posted this video to his socials, letting the people them know that it is a 1-year anniversary since the people them take away his money and I'll know him not get it back. Take a listen.
Yo, peeps. So it's been 1 year. Yeah, 1 year now. New year just start. Just want to know something there. Still I fight the fight. Still I hold on. Odds are going to stay strong. You know the country used to it. To all the people who that support me, continue support. No, nothing but love, alright?
Come on, man. Come on. Bolt, you have been very nice and very patient with Jamaica. You still wave the Jamaican flag even though we here have robbed you. So I salute you for your patience, but come on, man. Give the people them money right now before Bolt start for a walk on Black Road, okay? Because we do not want to see that. Number 6, favorite dish. Now, Burritos now. You know, so the Jamaican national dish is ackee and saltfish. But for some Jamaicans, we enjoy did I just say we? Whoa, anyway, don't shut my mouth like you didn't hear that. Let's play the video.
What's your favorite Jamaican dish?
Well, it's that dish that most men are afraid to admit that they eat.
Really?
Yes, because I guess some of them say it does too salt. I've been doing it for a long time, and I must admit I'm fairly good at it.
Listen, big up that gentleman, for his bravery. He's talking about this in a world that is post Ishana and Pepsi and all of them because something they're equal rights and these type of things. But times are hard. We're in very difficult economic times, and sometimes you run short of groceries, so you have to just use your hand, take it, make fashion. You have to find whatever food and it can give you some sustenance that is just around the house. So if it's salt alone there, just partake in that. It's the struggle is real out here. So for those of y'all who don't need to run to the supermarket, but you can, make use of things that are available in your household. Make use of it. Okay? You have different season. If it's salty today, you drop a little black pepper, all right. Can we move on to the next one?
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
It's crazy. So it just started going nuts. Yeah. And then 2 twos, me look, me start say, check mark, yeah, so check.
Number 5, Kyle Butler versus Rvssian. No, what is going on in January of 2024? Because it looks like everybody is spilling the beans. Maybe a Cat Williams over in America when him come on Club Shay him kickstart and kick things into gear. But now it trickled down to Jamaica and we're all having our concerns voiced on social media. So recently, Rvssian did do an interview and he spoke about, where him feel like dancehall music is heading and how the dancehall artists them nowadays them about stuff a TikTok and I take it to YouTube and all kind of things. But Kyle Butler, we know him as young rising footballer, no producer, he decided to go in the comment section and go say this about Rvssian. And what he shared was that yes, so this was the post, right? So Kyle Butler says, this is nonsense. You have managers, producers that invest heavily in the early stages of an artist's development with nothing to gain in return. These are the unsung heroes that put these artists on a platform to make major, show it by Rvssian, producers notice them, not YouTube and playing with the internet. So right there and then, like Kyle show one little shade when I say major producers, say we did the groundwork, make one jump in now and running when them already and make strides. So then Rvssian looked like he didn't have time on that day, and he went ahead and said, at Kyle Butler, you ever produce a hit song? You can't even build a rhythm. You can't even play football. You can't even play football good. My point was internet bust new artists. Anyway, I'm not argue with no man who have bought in him last name or bought in him name. Jesus, Pima, like that. That's some fighting words right there. That definitely is some fighting words right there. And so soon after that, now Kyle Butler him took to social media and started to make up a bunch of tweets, put out some information out there, and so that he is offering up like $1 million if Rvssian can prove, say him actually build the Dutty money, the Go-Go Club rhythm, right? And I'm like, what in the uptown fracas is going on? And so shortly after now, Rvssian, him not going to just go take this lightly now, right? So Rvssian now, he then went on social media and actually posted up a video detailing, showing, highlighting that he definitely is the one who conceptualized the entire rhythm. Just go on, don't take my word for it, pre.
Yo, Frost, why you run for the little done live, bro? It done live, that? Whew. All right. Look upon this. You see what name? Ding Dong Buster. You see when it was built? April 30, 2009. Ding Dong Buster. So the rhythm never built still. And oh yeah, enough people did say me did sample Mario Kart in the intro or something. It's the original session. Hear what name? You know what name? Ding Dong Buster. I originally built this rhythm for Ding Dong the artist, and Buster was the inspiration. Ding Dong actually never voiced an original, but
I know it is
so a man really kinda owe me $1 million even though me know him don't have it. But you put you upon a payment plan though, yeah? You put you upon a payment plan. So I mean if I didn't build the rhythm, why would I have a file from 2009 with look old machines, projects, all of my sessions, 2017, 18, 19, 2020. This is an old laptop. Take me 30 minutes to turn on this junk.
Russian say I'm gonna put Kyle on a payment plan. No, that is disrespectful again. Because Russian has say that Kyle don't have the $1 million to give him up front. No, this is disrespectful. This is disrespectful. No, Kyle, he's saying that him say, of course, a long time Russia never like him and him go take the draw out. So I don't know what was happening behind the scenes. We're gonna make Kyle go choose violence that day, and that Russian decided to react even more violently on social media towards Kyle. And so, boy, just let there be peace and love in schools. I'm going to be like Sean Paul right now. I'm going to ask for a truce. Everybody, if we just kind of stop things, think about Sean Paul's 4-year-old daughter, okay? And that Sean Paul's daughter does not want to see this online. So I'm going to ask y'all people who are watching, peace and love, not in schools, on socials. That is it.
I know it is time for the big up segment.
All right, so first up on the big up segment, I have to go and big up. I don't know if it's a big up, but condolences to the family and friends of veteran artist. Can we call him veteran? Gollybop. Yeah, like he was recently laid to rest, and one of the moments that has been trending on social media is this video of his son, and the fact that his son looked dead stamp at him.
Feel good. All the people there, the support was so strong, you could have feel love, the band. You know?
Some of the things that you most remember and will carry with you of your father.
Yeah, I remember the bop, He was a man who love the laughing, the gimmicks and them things. So anything where gimmicks are come out, he want to be a part of it. So basically, we can say the bop, they love the foolishness, Bad, Yeah, man. So anything to get a lot.
And then finally, on the Big Up segment, I have to go and big up the Living Millennially with Steph Guy podcast that I'm producing. The first episode aired yesterday. That's on Sunday. And so I remember in the last video, I didn't really get to plug the socials. So if you want to go and check out the first episode, please go and do so. You can click just the link above here, and the information for all the socials will be in the descriptions. Number 4, Idonia motivation. So recently, dancehall artist Idonia, while having a conversation with Governor, he said something that was just very witty, very hilarious. He said, listen, if you're doing so, I'm going to shut my mouth. Watch the video. Watch it.
Rasta, what you say?
Any girl,
yeah,
all we can't give her a song,
yeah,
you're not for it back, you're an artist.
Bob.
Motivate me.
Motivate me, girl. Hey, girl, motivate me.
She can't give me a song.
What?
Something is wrong.
No, this was just hilarious. Like, that is it. So I don't know with Kim for a long while, so you just know, say all of the hits them like the look uku and them look something there and tanto, the little girl tant. That was probably all inspired by good Kim. And when Wayne Marshall did think about him, good old wife. And when Bob Marley did sing about turn your lights down low, no, it wasn't Rita, it was, yeah. So this is what I'm saying. So you see, I like how Sean Paul, temperature, yeah, probably Jody. And so this is just showing, say, if, oh God, we can't even go draft for the Burna Boy about the Jada Kingdom. That Jada's Coochie was so good, it inspired a hit. Come on, man. It inspired a hit. So this is what I'd want all of the dancehall artists them for to do. Call out the woman who inspire your Kaylee's hit. So everybody from Cartel to Idonia to Governor, Dexter Daps, all of them, actually tag the woman who inspired. Tag the woman on our front who inspire on a hit. That is the challenge for kick off and make January even a lot more Kaylee's than it already is at the moment. Number 2, Jaii Frais viral interviews. Now, readers, I have to say, Jaii Frais has been scoring some major interviews in 2024. Like we saw all of the things that were trending and happening for him in 2023. But he recently just put out a message to all of the YouTubers, them, I make everybody know, say, if I go kick where all of the YouTubers, them foot. Listen.
If all the YouTubers, them, we never go hard. Because I fought for everything this year.
Everything.
I'm going
to start exercising with a vlog board.
Yeah, I do all
that. Legend lose weight.
Yes.
For
all them. So if this is everything, I just saw me put man and I scrape everything. You understand? So, me I encourage you from now. In January, I me I tell you go hard.
Yeah,
so if you plan for do 2 videos a week, do 4.
So that we collect them here, we not bad comment because we tell you, you know.
Yes.
All right.
So, uno go hard. You understand? Uno go hard. And for all the people that who did there before we're here now.
We're here now.
I'm going to see we. You understand? So, uno can get the Sorry for award them. I don't know what. That's fine. It's cute. Hip hip hooray.
Yeah.
You understand? But what they are now, I'm going to see we. I will have twice as hard this year.
Twice as nice.
You understand? So, big up to everybody for support.
So you see, Burritos, that is what Jaii Frais is saying. You know, he's coming to take everything away from all of the YouTubers, them, and the crown guy officially just belong to him. And it seems as if he started off on a really good note, because to get the a Rvssian interview and a TJ interview back to back, and then you throw word upon that, like that was basically him throwing word upon the fix, you know. He was throwing word upon the fix and saying, I get a sympathy award because they both were awarded with Mecca Awards recently. The fix got like a lifetime achievement award for being, you know, like 10 years veterans in the podcasting space. And then Jaii Frais walked away with 3 awards. So me no know what going between the fix and let's be honest, toxic talk Jaii Frais, but something is happening in the social media streets, and I am just keenly watching everything to see how it play out. I just like when the people them compete because I don't know, so maybe myself where me not even in no competition. Me not consider myself a YouTuber anymore. Like, so y'all can compete over there. Okay, good luck. But anyway, so let's talk about the first interview that Rvssian did that just got social media in a buzz. That was his Rvssian interview where he got him to talk about Shensi and all kind of things in the music industry.
I think the problem with dancehall is that the man them always want to pick one person to lead. I think that's actually mashing up the whole genre. Because one man can't push a genre, no matter how big you is. One man is not pushing hip-hop. One man is not pushing Latin music. One man not pushing Afro. One man not pushing pop. It's consecutively 10 to 15. And the problem with what we have in Jamaica is, him alone run the place. And music can't be that big. Yeah, with one man. It have to be 8 hot artists pushing at one time so the world can say, what is this movement? Because trust me, it's 20 hot Afro artists. It's not just Burna Boy.
Yeah, for sure.
You understand? It's not
Whiskey and Davido.
Yeah, it's Rema. There's so much.
Girls go.
Exactly. So, as I was saying, we need that. We need to come out to the mentality.
Okay, and if that major interview was not enough, he dropped the TJ interview and shared that it was very Cat Williams-like because TJ decided to come talk up some things, and if you don't know, him and Popcorn are really agree. They're not good. Take a listen.
So, let me say something. Oh, every rapper we're flying, a such man them call. Such man. You know who me I talk to when they call me and great. See me I say? Yeah, such man every rapper and he reach every rapper foot. So nobody now say him a gatekeeper. You get me?
Okay, so that is it. You know, Jaii Frais, congratulations on securing these interviews. Definitely a good look, and you know, like to see the consistency. And hopefully this would be an inspiration for other podcasters, other content creators in the space. But yeah, like a competition between them and Nightly Fix, that is a separate thing. Let's just all watch and see how it will play out and how the Fix will respond. Okay, so number 2. Oh God, Jada Kingdom, Steph London, the feud continues. No burritos, no, like, Lord of mercy. I'm just over this now because you have to really keep up. Because so you think it done, so it start up. Because so you think you need to go sleep, so it ignite. Like, they're just putting me in a dizzy, in a frenzy right now. And so let me just go say this. Things just gone so viral till you all have Anthony be a drop song. You have artists who come out of the woodwork a drop song, but none of them did take the cake like quite like Amari. My word.
Because more of say not really service them, more of say them use toys. You get what I'm saying? You know, like when you have toys and you understand? He don't like girls, he just use toys. Burn up, boy. Okay, hold on.
One thing Amari I'm gonna do, you know, Amari knows exactly how to keep herself relevant, and I have to give her kudos for that. But anyway, let's just jump in at the field now. So Jada Kingdom now, she heard Stefflan's track that she put out to her, and Stefflan did really angle and bangle that track like anybody who said otherwise, you're just a hater. So Jada was kind of forced to respond, and when Jada decided to kind of tease and see where the climate was, she dropped this on her Instagram story.
Make this shit look easy.
Too easy, oh God. The girl, the brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie, she run from the war and no show a flap scene. Twinkle alone against the world, that's me. Did that make the little punk ball creep. The study user.
Oh, okay. All right. So when I heard that with like the retro rhythm, I was just very excited. Me, I said, geez, I'm paying Jada. Yeah, I'm do something outside of the box. I'm actually like this. Because this sound like it would be a nice little Ray skittle type of song, you know, bounce a girl because she not act like you. Boy. Like I thought that was the energy that Jada was going to challenge. And so when Missy Jada go post this on social media, the single name, accept that? Yeah, go on listen before I go talk, all right?
Them gal, the brain full of codeine. Juggy Josie, she run from the war and no show a flap scene. Twinkle alone against the world, that's me. Did that make the little punk ball creep. The study user dildo jam.
Okay. No, this socials are downright just tracing me. I just got to tell you some things and tell you some, you know, what about deep on your business, okay? So when I heard this now, me like, boy, Jada, boy, me a root for you know, yeah, go on in and yeah, bring the little flair, but it kind of like a lukewarm right here, so. I'm think I did the rhythm, like the little teaser way they give, the rhythm that they just sit on, like the rare type of flow way they bring, but the rhythm, yeah, it take away from it, man. It never add to it, man. It take away, man, a subtraction. Any other one where they look for addition right about. No, okay, because people them know for read and write and can add and subtract and them something they know. Calculate, and especially the one them know the scientific calculator because you know the santan cost and them look at something there when they used to in a school trigger that much because people them used to know that and used to know graph and them look at something there. The people that know Roman numeral and them look at something that even though used to stress them out and all kind of little things like that. The ones them know them table of contents and used to work the little assignment with my project and the butterflies and bees and them something there. Big up uno, right? I don't know why me just go along that whole entire trajectory a while ago, but I am here and y'all are still watching, so we're all in this together. Hashtag High School Musical. But anyway, so Jada put out that song and it lukewarm. It never did I give what needed to be gave. Okay, and so me like, Stefflan definitely win the round there. But Jada good effort and accept that. But me just want, can it just end right now? We have too much things. We have Rvssian, we have all kind of things. No, me here Black Rhino jump in a field now. So much stuff now going right now. We just need to just end this and we can start a new one, right? Spice, Aishana, anywhere y'all are, all right? Okay? Okay, just to come, yeah, we could just finish this right now. But readers, let me know what you make of this part of the feud. Sound off below. And number one goes to Golden Besties. My sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca. Number one goes to Golden Besties. Now, you know, we have the countdown, you have so many topics on it, but I said we have to end this one like a good, like a wholesome note. Because you can't have war and feud every single day. You have to have little, you know, little. Why me do this now? Like I think about rebel dance. Rock on my baby, turn the other way. Anyway, so we're gonna just turn our attentions right now to these you know, golden friends, these besties. That were just sitting on the outside having a conversation and showing off them personality. But I was here for every second of it. Take a listen.
We don't talk for you. Sometimes you fit.
Yeah, sometimes you fit up.
Sometimes you fit up your mouth, you know.
When you come out, little boy can't breathe, man.
A little boy. I in grow. Little boy, big and penny one. What are you?
When you come out, one is malo. When you come out, malo, one can. When I come out, come out, breathe, man. When I move.
All right, we done.
What way?
I was big man.
What?
I was big man.
Besides, I am big man. When you come out. Since I one boy, they come out. When you so got a party, should work away.
All right. Our little boy used to go for milk.
friendship. That is friendship. You always have the one who's more modest and kind of quiet, and you know, we give the little advice, and you always have the cantankerous friend, the loudmouth one, the one who's stubborn, that need to be reeled in by the other one. Like, that is friendship, the yin and the yang. More to hear from you, like, which one of the friends them are y'all? Are you the more the loudmouth friend, the more extroverted friend, or you are the one who's slow and say, you know, so I think if you do that, I think you could have done this a little bit differently, you know. Which one of the friends are you? The quiet one or the loud one? But like, they didn't stop there. I'm supposed to mention that video that I aired a while ago had over 1 million views on TikTok. The video went viral because it's not something you see very often where, you know, most of the times, you know, I think an older person said to me once that the scary thing about getting older is that the older you get, you start to lose a lot of friends, and then you get to a point where your entire social circle, them younger than you, because you realize the older you get, you start outliving everyone else. And so you don't have people you can say, why? You remember when you used to go to school, you remember when you used to run from this, there, you don't have that. And so, like, to see something like this it's something we have to cherish, because it doesn't happen very often. But yeah, take a look at their other video.
You never walk up and down.
Yeah, but that's all. But I just walk up and down, I'm not about nothing. Tell about my business.
Now, what kind of business you look?
What is my business? You must be, I kill these people walk up and down, and I don't know to do. Because when they used to walk up and down, people sell right planting, something.
And sell milk.
And sell milk. But I used to walk up and down like a damn fool. I don't have time for that. When they walk up and down, they sell right planting.
Come look for me.
No, honestly, I am here for this friendship. Like, I am the quiet one. I think I'm going to say I'm usually the quiet one. I tend to like give the advice and the constructive criticism. I'm that person. But you know, my friends might say otherwise. They get me. It depends on the day. Okay, but that's it, my readers. Let me know what you make of their friendship. Well, that's it. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. Please to give me a like. Hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite part of the social media countdown. Share the video with your friends and your family, and don't forget to subscribe. Once you have done so, follow me on my social media at DuttyBerryShow on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, all over. And to advertise within the social media countdown or for bookings, please to shoot me an email at DuttyBerryShow. Let me correct that. bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. Ta-ta, ta-ta.
The dirty of the berry, yeah, the juicy of the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, boss cover, cover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them suck me out, what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, scene.